Here's the video for the 2024 Nissan Leaf SV Plus with a range of 212. Charger in the car. Front seats are heated. Nissan Safety Shield 360. Pro Pilot Assist with steering assist. Also has a heated steering wheel. Those are standard with the SV Plus. And there you have it for the 2024 Nissan Leaf SV Plus.